Kristin with Team 239 here. Today we're talking about the pros and cons of living on a golf course community.
Hey, it's Jonathan with Team 239 Real Estate down in Southwest Florida. I'm on the golf course right now, and it reminded me of a question we get asked a lot, and that is, what are the pros and cons of living on a golf course? So in between shots, we'll talk about that very subject, and you can decide for yourself if you want to live on a golf course or just play casually. So one of the obvious benefits of living on a golf course is the entertainment factor. Whether you have a house on a tee box, or in the fairways, or on the green, you're going to either see some pretty wild shots, some wicked shots, maybe some celebrations or frustrations, but no matter what, you'll see some golf in action, which is always pretty fun to watch. Another obvious advantage to living on a golf course is the landscape. Usually these golf courses are kept in quite pristine condition. The communities are in really good shape, regularly maintained. The home sites are usually in great condition, and the amenity center as well is top-notch. We'll show you that towards the tail end of this video. One of the cons, or a potential con to living on a golf course, might be if you don't want the entertainment factor. Maybe you value privacy and don't want people searching for balls close to your backyard or lanai area, because it's bound to happen. There are out-of-bounds stakes that are posted and you're not supposed to trespass, but it happens. So you may not like that, though if you've lived on a golf course before, you're probably used to it. Okay, so another potential con of living on a golf course has to do with the fees. Your annual fee will generally be higher because of the golf membership. You also have your trail fee, which involves bringing your own cart, or a cart fee, which involves renting the cart for your own personal use from the clubhouse. That's usually in the neighborhood of $25 a round. So while your membership may include golf, you're still paying a trail fee or a cart fee, or even a walking fee in some cases. As well, when you have guests come along, a perk is that they can play along with you, but sometimes during season the guest fees are a little higher. Now that comes with the territory. They might not otherwise be able to get on the golf course because it's exclusive, so they may feel that they get what they pay for. Same thing with your fees. Higher fees don't necessarily mean a bad thing. The course is maintained to a high standard. You're getting a high caliber of golf in. You get more exclusive access to tee times. The tee times might be a little more generous, so you're not feeling crowded on the golf course. You might be bundled up with higher caliber players because they paid for a membership and have a lifetime of golf experience. So those are some of the things that I enjoy about being part of a country club.
So many times on a golf course community, there's lots of wildlife, there's birds, you're gonna see.
Alligator!
One of the perks of living in a golf course community is that some of them offer something kind of unique. Like this one offers these little bird watching posts, and that is an osprey. All right, we're going to be talking about the 4 different types of golf ownership. These are all things that we'll be talking about when searching for a home in a golf community. So we have deeded golf, we have optional golf, bundled golf, and equity golf, and those are private golf course communities. There's also public golf course communities where you live on the golf course, but you don't have to pay golf fees. You just happen to live there and your backyard is a golf course.
Ah, butthole!
Bundled golf means that the golf is included. And when I say included, what I mean is that you're paying for your golf quarterly, most of the time, or annually, in your mandatory membership and your HOA fees. So you're paying for your golf within your HOA fees. That is bundled golf. One of the terms that we'd be talking about is optional golf. Optional golf is where you can change your type of membership. So maybe you want a full-blown golf membership one year, and maybe the next year you just want social, or you only care about golfing during the off season or a couple of times a month. That would be an optional golf membership. A couple of examples of optional golf communities are the Quarry and the Vineyards in Naples. We also have deeded golf and equity golf. So equity golf means that you're buying into the golf course community. Yes, you still have golf fees, but it's usually a lump sum at the time of closing that gets sent off to the course, and you're buying into the community. That can be a lump sum of $15,000. It can be $85,000. Sometimes when you sell your property, you get either a portion of that back or the whole thing back. Sometimes you get nothing back. Now, deeded golf means that golf is deeded to the house. It means that you either have golf or you don't. So if you have a condo and the building is in a golf building, then you have golf with your condo. Same thing with the house. Now, if you have a condo or a single family home and it has social, you cannot ever get golf when you're living in that same house. You'd have to sell the house and buy another house or a condo that is in a golf deeded building or home.
Finally, an outstanding perk of living on a golf course or in a golf course community is of course the dining facilities. Usually quite top-notch, featuring full menus, and then we've got pool, tennis facilities, and the like that you'll typically find in a community. Thanks for joining us to talk about the pros and cons of living on a golf course. If you're wondering if living on a golf course is right for you, then click the contact information in the link below in the video description and get on our calendar. We'd love to chat.
We'll see you next time.